Hey everyone, just Kintui here. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna start putting up videos about dirt bikes. Cause I'm gonna be doing that this summer probably. And I'll be putting videos out there on my new channel called Kenzie Motorbikes. Alright. So, if you haven't seen anything yet, please let me know on my other YouTube channel that that there isn't any videos on there. Alright. I'm gonna start doing that. But this is just a quick little video here. I'm just checking with you guys, but I'm just letting you guys know that I will be putting out videos of dirt bikes, riding dirt bikes. Alright. See ya.